Before we learn the keys to type using your right hand, make sure you have viewed the video on keyboard basics. Now let's get started. Place your fingers on the keyboard as shown in the virtual keyboard at the bottom of this page. As you learned in the Keyboard Basics video, the Learn to Type Today method teaches you how to type similar to how you learn to read. We will learn the keys from left to right and from top row to bottom row. So, using the index or pointer finger on your right hand, type the keys U, J, and M. Then return the finger to the J key in the home row. Since this finger is also among your strongest, it types 3 additional keys. So, using the same finger, type Y, H, and N, and return home on the J key. Now let's put it all together. Type the keys U, J, M, then type Y, H, and N, and return home. Let's try and type with the middle finger on your right hand. Type the keys I, K, and comma. Then return to the home position on the K key. Let's do that again. Type I, K, and comma, and return home. Now move on to the ring finger on the right hand. Type the keys O, L, and period. Then return the finger to the home position on the L key. Again, type the keys O, L, and period, and return your ring finger to home. Finally, using the pinky or little finger on your right hand, type the keys P and semicolon. Then return to the home position on the semicolon key. Let's try that again. Type the keys P and semicolon and return home. Remember, the idea is that we type from left to right and from top row to bottom row. This makes it easier to become familiar with where the keys are and which finger types a particular key. You may want to play this video again before moving on to the next page, where you will get to practice the Learn to Type Today method.